What's up, y'all? We was back on the charts. You know what I'm saying? Back on the queue. Um, Trying to do this quick little recap before I gotta get ready and head to work. Hit for 800 on a day. So we about to go ahead and show all that happened. So basically, coming into the day, what did I see? Um, well, I seen that. Well, if I turn on my, I don't want to turn on my indicator because it's gonna kind of be a lot. But seeing we disrespected this daily Fair Valley gap we made, we inversed that with this candle. Came down a little bit, and it was looking like we was already coming back up. We had news at 8:30, so I had to also keep that in mind. As you can see, we had a lot of these untapped lows right here, but I feel like as though price wasn't gonna come back, seeing as we's already disrespecting. We might come back to this later, or this could be used for tomorrow. But I did see respected 4 hour for Valley Gap. So like respected high time frame PDA. Came up was in this one right here, so taking that in consideration for buys as well. And I had this day marked out, February 4th marked out as our next draw liquidity to come up to, because we already took out this day earlier this morning, so I figured as though we'll come back up to this day, so I was looking for that as well. On the 1 hour, wasn't really much to see on the 1 hour. So boom, came in. Um, if you look and see, we already took out Asia session highs, we took out London session highs, and lows. Matter of fact, so we took all these out from that 8:30 candle alone, just from the one candle alone. So I'm already thinking, I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Buys is definitely gonna be in play. So boom, um, you know me, 5 minute whatchamacallit, damn, I forgot the word. But y'all know the strat by now. See these right here? Mark these out with the Yan box. Look for a Fair Valley gap that's either aligned with this green line or below it. Now, this was the tricky part. I didn't know if I wanted to get into this trade simply because I like to get into trades where the green line is inside a Fair Valley gap. Those are way more better than having a Fair Valley gap that's below it, because you don't honestly know if it's gonna come down all the way into this Fair Valley gap or if it's just gonna respect off of this one. But I was patient, you know what I'm saying? I didn't force anything. I seen that we came up here, market open. We had a big fat dookie candle, and then we ended up coming back down to this level. So we came back down to this 5 minute fair value gap. I said, okay, cool. Now, normally, these are the kind of trades I would try and go for normally. Let me mark out the 5 minute. Well, I think it's already marked out. The 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, I already marked it out. So I know it's a lot on the screen. I'm gonna actually let me just like hide some of this stuff so it's not too much to look at. Okay, cool. So boom, right? Actually, let me hide these two. Move this out the way. All right, so came back down, came into this 5 minute for Valley Gap. I'm trying to remember where it was I got in. I think it was like around here. I don't know why the thing was right there because I didn't get in right there. I believe I got in right here. You know what I'm saying? Stops was right here, and I was targeting like 1 to 5. I think was it this? Yeah, it was this. Okay, so it's a really small trade only because I was going in with one NQ. But if I was trading this normally, I think I would have been straight. I don't think I would have got stopped out. But I'm assuming that we're gonna come up and get these daily highs up here. But super quick trade, probably was in there for like maybe 30 seconds. Um, there's the P&L here for 800. So right now on the account, we're at 52,475. So I need about 525. Yeah, to pass. So um, I didn't do the recap yesterday. Sorry for that. I fell asleep. I low-key forgot. But we only made about like 185 yesterday because it doesn't matter how much I make on a day. I just need to trade for 5 days. So this gets updated after the day is over. But this is basically what it was from after yesterday's trade. So I had made 1490 the first time, and then this is what was made after the second day. So yeah, we just need 2 more trading days until I pass my take profit trader account. My very first one. I'm hoping everything is going well. Since I've been on TradingView though, it has definitely been a lot more easier to like get into trades and hold trades. I don't know why, but it just feels more like it feels more serious. Like I feel like it's all on TikToks that are serious, like their charts, because you gotta like really plan out what you're gonna do. Like you gotta know how much you're going with. You gotta. It's a lot to think about. Set your stop limit. Set your stop order. I mean your sell limit and your sell stop. Um, but yeah, it's definitely a lot. But honestly, couldn't be doing this without God. Wouldn't have my composure if it wasn't for God, and trusting in Him and trusting in my strat. But yeah, honestly, hoping to do the same thing for tomorrow and Friday. Honestly, I feel like Friday's gonna be a little bit tricky because I think we have CPI Friday, so it might be a little bit more trickier. But it's whatever though. Hope you had a blessed day, and as always, peace.